Okay, Dodge fans, Gause Garage coming to you April 8th. And here you have a beautiful, beautiful 65 Coronet Dodge A990. And for those of you that know, these cars came with exclusive equipment to this year alone. If you look closely, you will see that this car is highly, highly restored. The backup lights have been removed by the factory, and you have reverse manual valve train from the factory for these race cars. This is a post car, four-speed car. The automatics are reverse manual. This is a hand shaker. And again, light rate factory equipment. Coming up to the front engine, we have magnesium intake, which was a 1 year only. Aluminum Hemi heads, 1 year only for 65. And the correct 3116 dual carburetors in the cross ram setup. And that, my friends, is high performance Dodge history. And if you look closely at how this car has been massaged and finished out, you are looking at a beautiful, beautiful paint job. All the bright work is wonderful. That's what I'm talking about. When is the last time that you saw a 65 Dodge Coronet A990 with 1 year specific equipment, 4-inch custom exhaust coming off the bottom, what you are looking at is a beautiful, beautiful piece of Americana. High performance to the max. And there you have it, Dodge fans. Just freaking beautiful. Thank you, Gause Garage.